The best stud finders help you quickly and accurately locate wall studs, wires, and pipes, making DIY projects and home installations safer and easier. Starting at number 1, Zircon StudSensor A50 Scanner. The Zircon StudSensor A50 is a reliable stud finder that locates the center and edges of wood and metal studs with precision, helping you place nails, screws, and anchors securely. It features wire warning gear detection to alert you to live AC electrical wires, a signal strength indicator for more confident scanning, and an easy-to-read LCD display for clear results. With dual scanning modes for standard and deeper detection and an ergonomic design, it's ideal for DIY projects like mounting TVs, shelves, mirrors, and more. Number 2, Zircon MultiScanner A250. The Zircon MultiScanner A250 is an all-in-one wall scanner that detects wood and metal studs, rebar, and live AC electrical wiring with reliable precision. It features 4 versatile scan modes: stud scan, deep scan, metal scan, and AC scan, letting you locate studs up to 3/4, 19mm deep or deeper targets up to 1/2, 38mm, and metal objects up to 3/75mm. The auto-correcting technology ACT minimizes false readings by automatically recalibrating during use, while the bright spotlight aura pointer and backlit LCD display clearly show signal strength, target location, and live wire warnings. Powered by a 9V battery not included, this multifunction scanner helps you avoid mistakes and drill with confidence on walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. Number 3, Kreg KMM1000LZ. The Kreg KMM1000LZ magnetic stud finder with laser mark uses dual rare earth magnets to locate screws and nails in wood and metal studs and hands-free adherence to walls, making stud detection easy and reliable. Its built-in laser mark technology projects a visible line to show stud location, and the high visibility bubble level plus precision marking notches help you mark drill points with confidence. Compact and pocket-friendly, this tool is perfect for DIY and professional carpentry tasks like hanging shelves, cabinets, and decor. Number 4, PREXISO Stud Finder. The PREXISO 5-in-1 Stud Finder wall scanner is a versatile detection tool that locates wood and metal studs, joists, pipes, and live AC wiring behind interior drywall with multiple scan modes and clear visual and audio alerts. It offers 5 scanning modes for different depths, including several stud depths, metal detection, and AC wire warning, plus a large backlit LCD and indicator lights to help you find the center and edges of hidden objects before drilling. Its auto-calibration and ergonomic design make it suitable for DIY and home improvement projects like mounting TVs, shelves, cabinets, and decor. Number 5, Zircon StudSensor SL. The Zircon StudSensor SL is an easy-to-use edge-finding wall scanner that quickly locates the edges of wood and metal studs up to 3/4 inch, 19mm deep behind drywall. It uses the patented spotlight pointing system, projecting a beam of light and audio LED alerts to show you where a stud edge is found. Built-in TrueColor technology automatically calibrates to wall density, and a green LED tells you when the tool is ready to scan. Plus, the over the stud indicator helps you reposition the scanner if you start over a stud by accident.